Hello everyone, let's see how to hide search icon in Windows 11. So here on the taskbar, you can see this is search icon. To hide this, click on the start button and search here in search bar settings. And here the settings search, click on it and go to the left hand side, click on the personalization option. Then scroll down and click on here taskbar. Then here in taskbar items, first option search. The right hand side here, click on this drop down arrow. And here you can see the first option hide. Click on it. After that, close the settings. And here you see. Now you can see on the taskbar search icon here not showing. So that's it. This is a way you can hide search icon in Windows 11. Hope you understood. If you like this, subscribe my channel. Thank you.